Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Slimfit3 LX 3-in-1 car seat featuring anti-rebound bar in forward-facing mode with a vehicle seat belt. First, remove the anti-rebound bar by pushing the buttons on both sides of the car seat at the same time. The anti-rebound bar cannot be used in forward-facing mode. Next, remove the infant supports, including the head and body supports, and store them away. Ensure the UAS strap and connectors are in their storage location. Unhook the tether strap from storage and lay it in the seat. Use the front recline handle to adjust the recline to one of the two forward-facing positions. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat forward-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Open the belt lock-off by holding the upper red latch in position, then flip down the lower gray tab. Release the upper latch. Route the seatbelt through the forward-facing belt path marked with an orange label, making sure it is under the belt lock-off, lies flat, and isn't twisted. Buckle it in. To tighten the vehicle seatbelt, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the shoulder belt while feeding the slack back into the retractor. Close the belt lock-off on top of the seatbelt. Extend the tether by lifting up on the tether lock and attach. Tighten the tether strap to remove all the slack. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the forward-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. Re-snap the upper seat pad and replace the headrest pad flap and move the headrest to the proper position for your child. Your car seat is now installed.